Some time ago, some users started receiving emails from Google stating that the new artificial intelligence known as Gemini, which used to be called Google Bard, now has much broader permissions, including the ability to interact with apps like Messages, WhatsApp, and notifications on your phone. This feature is being rolled out gradually, and Google says it's part of a plan to expand Gemini's capabilities and improve its user experience. But does this affect your privacy? And is there a way to prevent Gemini from accessing this data? Watch the video till the end to learn all the details and decide for yourself. What does it mean that Gemini can read or interact with apps like Messages and WhatsApp? Google says that Gemini can now better understand how you use your phone through regular SMS messages, WhatsApp messages, the apps you open, the notifications you receive, some data within the apps. All of this is meant to help Gemini assist you more intelligently. For example, you might ask, open the last message from someone on WhatsApp or turn off Bluetooth, and it will perform the task directly instead of you doing it manually. But what caught many people's attention is that Google stated in the new policy, some data may be reviewed manually to improve service and enhance security. This means that some of the information Gemini handles may be reviewed by a specialized team at Google, which led some users to wonder, is our privacy really safe? Why did some people receive the email and others didn't? This feature is being rolled out gradually, not to all devices at once. Some newer phones have Gemini working automatically as a replacement for Google Assistant. Some users didn't notice the change because the update happened silently in the background. How to stop Gemini from accessing your app activity? There are two ways. Method 1, through the Gemini app itself, if available, open the Gemini app. Tap your profile picture at the top. Select Gemini Apps Activity. If activity tracking is enabled, tap the Turn Off button. Confirm the deactivation. Method 2, through Google Settings. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down to Google and tap on it. Select Manage your Google account. In the search bar at the top, type Gemini Apps Activity. Scroll down until you see a button labeled Go to Gemini Apps Activity. Tap Turn Off twice, and just like that, the feature will be completely disabled. Privacy has become one of our most important digital rights. And to protect it, you need to stay up to date with the latest changes and regularly review your settings. This feature might be useful to some, but if you prefer full control over your data, the steps above will help you a lot. Share the video with anyone interested in privacy, and don't forget to leave a comment. Do you have this feature? Are you planning to leave it on or turn it off, and why? See you next video.